artistry of transforming living spaces into havens of elegance and functionality. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of herb garden design and tips creating beautiful garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An herb garden is more than just a collection of plants, it's a meticulously curated outdoor space that marries aesthetics with utility. It's a living tapestry where culinary delights and therapeutic fragrances intertwine, creating an oasis of sensory experiences. Join us as we unravel the secrets to designing an herb garden that is as visually captivating as it is functional. Herb garden design is the art and science of creating a dedicated space for cultivating aromatic and flavorful herbs. It involves careful planning, considering factors such as sunlight, soil quality, and plant compatibility. The design should not only optimize plant growth but also enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor area. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a modest balcony, an herb garden can be tailored to fit any space. An herb garden offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond culinary purposes. Firstly, it's a sustainable way to produce fresh, organic herbs, reducing reliance on store-bought produce. Secondly, tending to an herb garden can be a therapeutic and rewarding experience, connecting you with nature and providing a sense of accomplishment. Thirdly, herbs are known for their air-purifying qualities, enhancing the overall atmosphere of your outdoor space. Lastly, an herb garden can significantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your property, adding a touch of natural beauty and elegance. Choosing the right herbs for your garden depends on factors such as your culinary preferences, climate, and available space. Some popular and versatile herbs include basil, rosemary, thyme, mint, parsley, cilantro, lavender, and sage. Basil is renowned for its aromatic qualities and culinary versatility. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that adds depth to savory dishes. Thyme is a versatile herb with a wide range of culinary applications. Mint is refreshing and invigorating, perfect for both sweet and savory dishes. Parsley is a classic herb that adds freshness to salads and garnishes. Cilantro, with its distinct flavor, is a staple in many cuisines. Lavender is not only visually appealing but also offers culinary and therapeutic benefits. Sage is a versatile herb with a warm, earthy flavor. How to decorating a herb garden to look beautiful? Designing a visually appealing herb garden involves careful consideration of several elements. Begin by selecting containers or raised beds that complement your overall outdoor decor. Incorporate decorative elements such as garden ornaments, bird baths, or wind chimes to add personality and charm. Experiment with different plant heights and textures to create visual interest. Consider using pathways or borders to define the garden space and enhance its organization. Remember, the key to a beautiful herb garden is balance and harmony between plants and decorative accents. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best herb garden design decor ideas to try at your own garden. 1. The classic rectangular garden. This timeless design features raised beds or containers arranged in a neat and orderly fashion. 2. The cottage garden. Embrace a romantic and whimsical style with a profusion of herbs, flowers, and soft textures. 3. The vertical garden. Maximize space by growing herbs on walls or fences using hanging planters or vertical gardening systems. 4. The container garden. Create a portable herb garden with a variety of containers, from terracotta pots to stylish planters. 5. The herb spiral. This space-saving design allows you to grow a wide range of herbs with varying sun and moisture requirements. 6. The kitchen window herb garden. Bring the convenience of fresh herbs indoors by cultivating them on a sunny windowsill. 7. The Mediterranean herb garden. Recreate the flavors of the Mediterranean with a collection of sun-loving herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender. 8. The Asian-inspired herb garden. Incorporate herbs like mint, cilantro, and basil for a taste of Asian cuisine. 9. The herb and flower combination. Create a visually stunning garden by interplanting herbs with colorful flowers. 10. The herb tea garden. Focus on calming and aromatic herbs like chamomile, lemon balm, and lavender for a relaxing retreat. By following these guidelines and incorporating your personal style, you can create an herb garden that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, the most important aspect of herb garden design is to enjoy the process and savor the rewards of your hard work. Are you inspired to create your own herb garden? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design inspiration. Let's transform your outdoor space into a thriving herb haven together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.